Welcome back to the Pig Lab. Today we're discussing foam pigs. Inline Services has developed its own proprietary foam to manufacture the most iconic line of pipeline cleaning pigs on the market today. Inline's foam pigs offer great diversity for new construction, startups, cleaning, and routine maintenance. For wiping, we have crisscross pigs. The urethane crisscross pattern creates a strong seal and is designed to wipe debris from the pipe wall. For those chuffer's jobs, we can add strips of rigid brush in place of some of the urethane crisscrosses, creating a much more aggressive scraping tool. And for those really tough jobs, we have the power brush pig, a fully urethane coated foam pig completely covered with strips of brush that is designed to come into contact with every inch of the pipe wall. For liquid displacement or paraffin removal, there's no better foam pig than the foam disc pig, or sometimes called the wafer pig. Foam disc pigs have been successfully cleaning pipelines for decades and are the anchor of any good cleaning program. All of our foam pigs can be equipped to house location transmitters, ropes, dished ends, and bullet noses where warranted. And of course, we can provide foam pigs in light, medium, and heavy densities. To learn more about Inline's foam pig line, please visit inlineservices.com. And remember, Inline keeps the industry flowing.